everyone, welcome back to my channel for another new video. Thank you so much for joining me today. For today's video, I have a review on the Fenty Beauty by Rihanna Stunna Lip Paint. I am so excited to try this out today for you guys. I actually received this as a Christmas gift from my best friend Nicole, so shout out to Nicole for this video. Give it a thumbs up if you are excited for me to review this. I absolutely love Rihanna. There's really honestly nothing Rihanna could do to make me not be a stan for her. I feel like she just came for the whole beauty industry like real hard. Like she came and she conquered and it was just great. I love her. So really, I don't know how this could be bad. I haven't heard nothing but good things about this product. I received this for Christmas and it is January 12th when I'm filming this. So I'm so excited to try this out. I've opened it, but I haven't opened it. I've opened the package, if that makes sense. So I am so excited. If you guys are too, let me know by giving this video a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below what you think my thoughts will be on the product. If you think that I won't like it or will I like it. Definitely let me know down below. Subscribe to my channel also if you're not already, and click that little bell icon. It'll notify you every time I upload so that you'll never miss a video from your girl. And yeah, I think that's all I have to say. I don't think anything else is happening. I'm really nervous, but yeah, let's go ahead and get right into the try on. Alright, so I'm opening it. If I'm looking over here, it's because my viewfinder's over here. I'm also really sorry if the angle is really weird. It's super dark today. It's like pouring rain, so this is honestly the only way that I could film is with like these bright studio lights, so I apologize for that, but here's the product. It's so pretty. Wow, like I would expect nothing less from Rihanna, honestly. It just has Fenty Beauty on the front. I don't think my camera will focus, but absolutely gorgeous. I'm not going to use a lip liner, even though I really want to. I'm going to do a wear test also with this. I have some errands to run. I have some homework to do. I'm going to eat, obviously, so I'm kind of nervous. But I have my mirror here. I'm going to apply it. Let's see what the applicator looks like. I've seen that it looks pretty weird. I know that. Oh, it is pretty weird. That is weird. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's like a tiered, I don't know. It's like almost like an hourglass. I don't know. That's weird, but if Rihanna did it, it must have a reason to it. So I'm going to go ahead and apply it. I'm super nervous. Let me zoom you guys in a little. Let's see. Is that better? It's a little better. I'm sorry if my right eye looks, this is my left eye. I don't know what it is to you guys because it's flipped, turned, but this eye looks really, really red. I have something in it and I can't get it out, so that's just the life I'm living today. So I'm going to go ahead and apply it. I'm so scared. Alright, you ready? I'm so nervous, guys. I'm really nervous. Ready? Whoa. Okay. This is really, really pigmented. I really like the applicator on it. I feel like you can get a really crisp line. Did my whole lips without dipping back in. That's insane. I'm obsessed with this color. I want to see, does it have any claims on it so I can read those to you? But I'm obsessed. It dries super quick. I did exfoliate my lips last night, so your girl doesn't have any ridges, thank the Lord. 1 stroke intensity, 12-hour matte wear. I'm not wearing this for 12 hours, for sure. Unrivaled precision wand. Oh, that sounds interesting. Oh, it says shake before use. I did shake it a little bit, but Alright, so my first impression is I'm obsessed. Were you guys surprised? Honestly? Wow. It looks so good on camera too. Oh my god. Wow. 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 Guys, I feel like this is going to be the most boring wear test ever because I'm obsessed with it. But I'm going to go ahead, run some errands, do some homework, eat some lunch. I'll check back in with you guys in a couple hours to let you know my final thoughts on the lipstick. Mwah. Alright guys, so we are back. I put this on, I don't know what time, let me see, I think I took a picture. Put this on at like 11:15 and it is currently 3:07. I don't know if you guys will be able to tell. Yeah, it's 3:07. So it's been on 11, 12, 12, like 4 hours, 4 or 5 hours. I have eaten, I have taken drinks. I have not taken drinks. I have had drinks. I've been out in the rain, the pouring rain, guys. Like, it's pouring outside. It's absolutely insane. But this is how the lipstick is looking. Let me see. Like usual with me, my nose is like running. I'm sorry, guys. My lipstick always runs, not runs, but like wears off, right like that. It always does that, no matter if it's high-end drugstore. I think it's because I talk so much, and then I have some on my chin. I don't know if you guys can tell, but I did eat a sandwich, and my lips always hit my chin. So that's another thing, but I mean, other than that, it's still like on. And I had a tuna melt, so it's not the nicest thing to eat, if that makes sense. So the fact that it's not like all over my face, and there's still a good amount of pigment on my face, guys. Like, this is a lot. Like, it looks like I could have like just applied it and like just missed the inner rim of my mouth, you know? This is insane. This is absolutely insane. I'm obsessed with this. Let's see what happens if I try and reapply it. I know that a lot of liquid lipsticks don't let you like reapply because it just kind of like crumbles off. It's not meant to be layered. So let's see. You can reapply it. It looks brand new. Even my mom said she liked it. And she's like, oh, can I borrow it? So, you know, if my mom likes it, it's fire. But I have a little bit on my teeth, as always. But it dries down beautifully. But yeah, I absolutely love this. I'm not going to keep it on any longer just because I am going out to dinner tonight. So I want to like reapply my makeup and make it fresh for the evening. So yeah, I really enjoyed this lip. I think it's totally worth it. I think Rihanna killed it once again with this lip. But let me know your guys' thoughts on the Stunna lip paint if you guys have it. What are your thoughts? How do you feel about it? It didn't dry out throughout the day at all. Like, it didn't even feel like I had anything on, honestly. Like, it does kind of make your teeth a little yellow. Just like a little bit. Just like a little bit. Nothing crazy. Nothing crazy, but I mean, like, reds always make your teeth look yellow, honestly, no matter what you do. But yeah, I hope that you guys enjoyed this review. If you guys want more reviews like this, definitely let me know by leaving a comment down below and subscribing to my channel if you're not already, and give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget. And yeah, that's all for today, guys. I really hope that you enjoyed, and I will talk to you in my next video very soon. Bye, loves!